Hey there! Are you struggling with photos not appearing in your iPhone's gallery or having trouble with iCloud photos not syncing as they should? You're not alone. This is a common hiccup that can happen due to a few reasons like settings being off, connectivity problems, or not having enough storage space. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to help you get your missing photos back on your iPhone and sync smoothly with iCloud. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check internet connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. To reset your network, you can enable airplane mode. Wait for 30 seconds, now turn it off again. iCloud requires a stable connection to download your photos to your device. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is network related. Solution 2. Ensure iCloud Photos is enabled. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap your name at the very top to access the Apple ID section. Next, select iCloud from the options. Scroll down a bit. After that, tap See All. Now tap on Photos. Make sure that the iCloud Photos option is toggled on. If it's already enabled, then go ahead and turn it off and re-enable it again. This will help sync your photos from iCloud to your device. Solution 3. Check your iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General. Then scroll down and select iPhone storage. Check how much storage you have available. If your storage is full, iCloud might struggle to download more photos. Consider freeing up some space by deleting files or apps you don't need anymore. Solution 4. Log out and log back into iCloud. Open Settings, tap your name at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts to sign out of your Apple ID. Restart your iPhone. Finally, log back into iCloud by entering your Apple ID credentials. Solution 5. Check iCloud storage space. Open Settings, tap your name at the top. Select iCloud, then tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage available. If your iCloud storage is full, new photos won't sync. You might want to upgrade your storage plans or delete files you don't need anymore. Solution 6. Enable download and keep originals. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps. Scroll down again and tap Photos. Scroll down one more time. Ensure that the Keep Originals option is selected. This setting makes sure all your original photos are downloaded to your device from iCloud. By following these steps, your iCloud photos should start appearing in your iPhone gallery. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Apple support for more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get your photos back soon.